And hi, I'm back again. All I wanted to do actually was say, hey, we're doing something that we haven't seen on tutorials too often, and that's how to cast off. So at this point, I am casting off, and I've done the other side, so you know what it looks like once it's done. But you have one on the hook. You put another one on that you've knitted, and then you pick up the last stitch. Pick up the last stitch, bring it through with the yarn, and drop. So again, pick up, wrap, pull through, and drop. So here we do the drop, and we got one again. So the last one goes on, and then we pick up and pull over and out after the drop. So the last stitch is always on the drop. So if you see what I'm doing, from front to back, this is the way you go about it. And we almost forgot to pull that off. And you want to get all your yarn strands so you don't have something a little sticking out. And you'll have a nice finish. And you can add lace to the edge afterwards and sew it on, or make it with your yarn, make a little lace edging. So I am trying to be brave here. I'm trying to show you a few things that I've learned and picked up along the way. And I really enjoy taking a project off the needles just so I can put another project back on. And since I'm doing two of everything, I've got to move right along with it. And it's been sitting here, and I've been a little stagnant with getting this done so I could make a video. And I was waiting to be a little bit more calm from my surprise frogging that I couldn't get wrapped around till now. So I'll finish these last two stitches. Even that pair of socks that I have with the regular yarn bowl needs to be taken off the needles. And why I have something different on another project is so I can keep knitting between all that crocheting. I have a little problem from different things that happened, car wrecks and whatnot, and so it aggravates my neck and my shoulder, and I sometimes have to run a piece of physical therapy tape up my halfway up my arm, over my shoulder, and up to my neck and towards the back, and that helps relieve some of the pain and discomfort. And so that's what they did to me. I like that and appreciate that. It really helps a lot. And so that's going to be cut right here and then pulled through the loop and it'll be snug tight. And there you go. So I hope you like that. And of course, this is the pair of ankle socks I'm working on. That's in the yarn bowl. And carefully I'll put that on there, and I've already pulled out this one. One side has finished. As you can see, it is off, and this is inside is the right side. When we knitting around, we end up doing the what they call the wrong side. And so here we go. We're gonna grab the last stitch from the first needle that we worked all these off of. There was one stitch left, so we just grab the next one and keep on going until we get to the last stitch that needs to come off the needle once you pull the loop through and tie your knot, and then weave your tail in. So that is what I call my yarn videos, is yarn tails. And makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something when I'm taking something off the needles. And it's exciting too, because I know I'm going to put something else on, like the second pair on this one. To make a pair, I should say, the second one. So this is a one at a time sock, not two on the magic loop needles like I have for the leg warmers, which I'm only doing on one at a time on. And two at a time really is a fun thing to learn. And there are good videos on that too. I watch a lot of videos. And I enjoy everybody. They're just so fun and friendly. They inspire. So keep watching videos, keep learning, keep inspiring, and of course, always share with others so they see what you've accomplished. And who knows? Maybe they'll want you to make something for them. Yeah, and that's when a nap comes in, where you keep track of your time. You speed knit as good as you can without too many mistakes, if at all. Or otherwise you will have to frog. And that makes you lose time. So, of course, you can't add that time in to a project that you built for somebody else that is going to pay you for your time. So practice makes perfect, and then your projects will bring you some money in. Make sure it's okay to use patterns. And if you didn't design your own stitches and you're using other people's patterns, ask for permission so that you can use them not only for yourself and making gifts, but also to sell the product from that pattern. And some of them do ask politely for a little heads up if you're going to sell. Sometimes you can buy the license, which is a little bit more on the pattern price, so that you can make multiple assets off of it. Okay, well, that's it for now. I'm tying this video down, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.